Welcome to the course. I want to show you how you can get into the best shape of your life. You may want to ask, what do I need to do for it? Well, let me surprise you and tell you what you don't need to do. You don't need to spend hours on working out. You don't need to buy expensive workout gear, and please stay away from supplements and magic pills that promise to help you to lose weight. In general, I would recommend 8 to 12 pound medicine ball for women and 10 to 14 pound for men. You will have to work really hard. These are high intensity workouts. You will lose fat and increase muscle mass. You will get stronger, improve your stamina, gain lean muscle mass, and lose fat. What will you learn in this course? Every workout is 16 minutes long. This may seem like a short time, but the workouts are really high on intensity. The harder you work, the more you burn. That's why it's important to do all the exercises as fast as you possibly can. Do exercise number 1 for 30 seconds. Then rest for 10 seconds. Move on to exercise number 2 and do that for 30 seconds. Rest for 10 seconds before moving on to exercise number 3. Do all 6 exercises and repeat for 4 rounds. That will take you 16 minutes. In order to get results, you will have to do at least 3 medicine ball workouts a week. This is a minimum. This course comes with a weekly plan, which tells you exactly what workouts to do and when. You can get the plan by heading over to urbanjane.co. When you get to the website, leave me your best email and I will email you the plan. I will also send you the Smart Log. Using the Smart Log makes it easy for you to keep your eye on your progress. To get the Smart Log, head over to urbanjane.co. What else you should know about the course? These workouts burn a lot of calories, but it's really easy to eat them back. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you are full. Make sure to eat a lot of lean protein sources, like fish, meat and chicken, and a lot of vegetables. Also, make sure that you get a proper sleep. Try to keep your stress level to minimum. Before you start the workouts, I want you to be sure that they are appropriate for you. Doing the exercises and the workouts is on your responsibility. If you have a heart disease, high blood pressure, cancer, diabetes, or any other serious health condition, please consult your physician before starting this workout routine. Working out is a lifestyle, it's not a one-week plan. I hope you will keep working out also after finishing this course.